Hello, welcome to the Marginard Show, the Cybersecurity Show. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 2 best cybersecurity certifications to get in 2024. I'm going to give you an overall scope of them, and I'm going to talk about some of the highest paying jobs that are out there to get once you get these cybersecurity certifications. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We are going dark. So in my purview, I believe the CompTIA Security Plus, that's the first certification, is a globally recognized credential that validates the foundational skills necessary for a career in IT security. It is an entry-level certification offered by CompTIA, a non-profit trade association, and is often, the first certification that IT professionals earn in the field. So, this certification has 2 exam versions, the SY0601 and the latest SY0701, which is, it covers the most in-demand skills related to current cybersecurity threats, automation, zero trust, IoT, and risk management. The domains covered, the exam focuses on 6 major domains: threats, attacks, vulnerabilities, architecture and design, implementation, operations and incident response, and governance, risk, and compliance. The practical skills, the certification emphasizes hands-on practical skills and performance-based questions that assess the ability to solve real-world security issues. You have the ISO/ANSI accreditation. Security Plus is ISO/ANSI accredited and approved by the U.S. Department of Defense to meet certain job requirements, making it a trusted credential for government and regulatory bodies. So, preparation and training, right? CompTIA offers a variety of training options for the Security Plus certification, including the Cert Master Learn, right? An e-learning solution with a customizable learning plan and performance-based questions. You have the Cert Master Labs, which provides hands-on skills to reinforce the practical aspects of the certification exam. You have the Cert Master Practice, an adaptive tool that assesses knowledge and readiness for the exam. Instructor-led training available both online and in classroom through CompTIA's network of authorized training partners. Okay, so what are some of the highest paying jobs that are available out there for people who have the CompTIA Security Plus certification, right? So you have the security consultant. Security consultants provide expert advice on securing an organization's IT systems. They perform security audits and develop strategies to protect against cyber threats. The salary range for this role is approximately $80,000 to $150,000 per year. You have information security analyst. This role involves protecting an organization's computer systems and networks. Responsibilities include monitoring for security breaches and investigating violations. The salary range for information security analyst is between $70,000 and $120,000 per year. You have security architects. Security architects design robust security structures to protect an organization's IT infrastructure. This role is highly specialized and can command a high salary, although specific figures were not provided. Okay, companies pay a little different. Each companies have a little sauce. Each company has a little sauce. Okay, so this is depending, right? You have penetration tester, also known as ethical hackers. Penetration testers simulate cyber attacks to identify vulnerabilities in systems. This role requires a deep understanding of security protocols and can be highly lucrative. You have IT security manager. IT security managers oversee a team of security professionals and are responsible for implementing and maintaining security measures within an organization. This role typically offers a high salary, but again, this is kind of on the hush like the last one, right? So before I get into the second certification, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and like button. Once again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. So let's get into this second certification. So the certified risk. The Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control, also known as the CRISC certification, is a professional credential offered by ISACA aimed at IT professionals who focus on enterprise IT risk management. This certification is designed for IT risk practitioners, control and compliance professionals, business analysts, project managers, and other IT and business professionals with experience in risk management and information systems control. So here's a little bit of an overview, right? CRISC offers professionals, it helps professionals, right, demonstrate the ability to assess, govern, and mitigate IT risks, right, which is crucial for organizations facing internal and external threats. Domains, the CRISC exam covers 4 main domains: governance, IT risk assessment, risk response and reporting, and information technology and security. The certification requirements: to become CRISC certified, candidates must pass the CRISC exam, which consists of 150 multiple choice questions and is administered either at authorized testing centers or remotely proctored exam. You have to pay the application fee and submit an application demonstrating at least 3 years of experience in IT risk management and IS control within the past 10 years. You also have to adhere to ISACA's Code of Professional Ethics and Continuing Professional Education, also known as the CPE, right? And candidates have 5 years after passing the exam to fulfill the experience requirement and apply for the certification. So, when it comes to how long it takes to get this certification or prepare for it, the time it takes to prepare for the CRISC certification exam can vary depending on an individual's background and study habits. However, a common preparation timeline is around 60 hours spread over a few months. For example, one individual reported spending about 60 hours over 3 months, dedicating 30 to 45 minutes each day to study. This preparation involved using the CRISC review manual and the questions, answers, and explanations, the QAE, online database. Candidates are encouraged to use official ISACA materials such as the CRISC review manual and practice questions to enhance their understanding of the exam content. The preparation process should also include creating a study schedule and setting time aside for exam preparation to ensure effective time management. Okay, so now let's get into some of the huge roles, right, that can be had once you get this CRISC certification. So you have the Chief Information Security Officer. This role commands an average salary about $200,000, making it one of the highest positions for CRISC holders. You have the Director of whether it's computing, networking, or information technology security, right? Professionals in this position earn an average of $180,000. You then have the Director of Risk Management or Risk Control. This role has an average salary about $165,000. You have the Information Security Manager, right? That average salary is about $133,000. You have the Information Security Officer. That's about $123,000. The Information Security Analyst, that's about $100,000. The Senior Information Technology Auditor, that's about $100,000 as well. So the CRISC certification is highly valued in the IT industry, often leading to salaries of above national average for IT certifications, right? Average CRISC salary is approximately $150,000 based on various salary sources, right? Additionally, salaries can vary significantly based on locations like San Francisco, which typically, pay higher among the national average. Okay, so that's what I have for you today. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and like button. Once again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you on the next video.